Alright, Bloody and Artie here, as you can see. We're going to teach you about bookmarks today. And first, we're going to teach you how to add a bookmark. There's two ways of doing this. You can either be on the server or you can be out of the server. And what you want to do, regardless, you're going to click bookmarks, which is in between self and connections, and then click add bookmark. If you're on a server, it'll bring you to this, and it'll have the IP of the server that you're on. Yes, I know I already have this up here, but anyways, this is the one that I'm going to be editing for you guys today. What you want to do is you want to name it. This one is out of block server, test, or whatever. And this is the IP now. If you're not on the server, you're going to have to grab the IP that you want. For example, this is my regular server. I'd take this and put it in here. This is the iBlock server. I'd take it and put it in here, vice versa, or whatever. If you're already on a server and you want to bookmark the server that you're on, you don't need to do that. This is your nickname. This will be your nickname for when you click on the bookmark and you join that server, not for every single server. You can have different, as we said before, you can have different nicknames for different servers. Now, that's that. Server password, this is for only if that server has a password. If not, I believe it'll prompt you or say you can't join the server because you don't have the password. Make sure you put this in if there is a password for the server. My servers don't have passwords. I might set that up later, depending on how many noobs watch this video and try to join my shit and troll. They will get banned, by the way. Or not. This is the photonetic. What? I still can't
Font.
pronounce.
Now that you messed it up, I don't even know if I can pronounce it.
Shh.
Um,
Excuse our
phonetic.
Phonetic, yes. Phonetic nickname. So basically, mine would be Bloody, and that way it's like Bloody joined your channel.
Except it's gonna be like this British lady saying it wrong, like whatever
Bloody
it
joined
said in
your
the other
channel.
video.
It's like
It said like six tails, something weird in
That's
Japanese,
weird as hell.
and like fish has joined your channel. That's what it sounded like. It was like six tails, something, whatever.
There are some errors, but we can fix those. Contact us.
You can also change your sound packs from here and all this other stuff.
Yep.
Honestly, I don't know what that stuff is.
All right. Default channel. As you go through the channels, you can set your For example, if you're in their server, it'll you can hit this little refresh button and it'll
channel switched.
As I switch, she's gonna be like, I'm lonely. Anyways, I switch to this and I hit the refresh and it takes me to Sachi or
channel switched.
AFK or
channel switched.
Back to the admin channel. Channel password, as you see I have a password on this channel. You put the channel password in here and that way you can connect to the channel without having to put a password in automatically. One-time privilege key, do not worry about this. Unique server ID, do not worry about this. Do not try to edit it because as you see, you can't. This button right here is pretty cool. Now, when you open TeamSpeak, the basic default thing, as you see, this is bolded up here. I'll tell you about that after I'm done explaining this. The basic default thing is that you have to come up here into bookmarks and click on the server, which will be underneath here. Click on the server that you want to join. This right here will make it so that you automatically join the server. If it's in bold, that means that you automatically join the server. Now, you can make it so that you automatically join two servers at the same time, and I'll show you what that looks like right now after I am done editing this. Let me take this off because this was my test. Alright, there might be a bit of noise because I know people are talking, so, actually, hold on, let me see if I can...
Mute everything!
I was gonna see if I can change it so that I join the AFK channel and not their channel. Alright, there we go. Now let's see this. I'll be right back, Artie.
Disconnected.
And you open up your TeamSpeak 3 client and it takes you to
connected.
Both. And as you see, I joined the AFK channel and I joined the admin channel. Just like that. Very simple. Manage bookmarks and it'll take you to the same screen as before and there you go. That is how you fail. That is how
disconnected.
You do that. As you just saw, I just left that channel or that server by clicking the little X. Yes, both of those are my servers. As you can see, the IP is very relevant because they're both mine.
Did you explain the mic?
I'm about to. I almost forgot.
Connected.
Alright. Here is the microphone setting. You cannot talk on both servers at the same time. You would get really annoying and I'd fucking kill you. Luckily, you can't do that. That way you don't have to die. In order to talk on each server, you need to click this little green arrow right here. That'll take you to whichever server that you're on when you're clicking on the green arrow. As you see, I clicked on this one, and it takes you to this one. Click back on this one, and you're talking over here, and vice versa. Blah blah blah. That's that. Anything else about
Muchos
servers?
hornos. Ay, ay,
No,
ay,
I
ay,
don't
ay,
think
ay,
there
ay, ay.
are. Let's mute Artie. Going over. Let's review.
No.
Let's have a review. Muting
No.
Artie.
User in your channel was
Oh,
kicked from the server.
actually, that was me kicking her. That's
User entered your
that's a more
channel.
advanced thing that we'll teach you later on in our
No, you
Disconnected.
will not.
Oh
How
gosh.
dare you, sir?
Oh no. All right. But thank you for watching. This was our video on that. Thank you.
No,
Bye
I
bye.
took away your privileges.
No.